Welcome to Nasir Soft. This is the basic feature extraction from the text videos tutorial series, okay, of the tutorial series of natural language processing. And in this video, I will discuss the three basic more important feature extraction from the text techniques. The first is the number of hashtag or the special characters inside the text. The second one is how to extract the numeric values from the text, and then we will talk about in the third the number of uppercase keywords or words in a text. So first of all we will talk how to extract the number of special characters, or I can say that hashtags in a text. Okay, for this, after reading the data files, okay, that is my tweets related data, okay, that contains the different tweets data, and inside here I made a new attribute, that is number of hashtags. Okay, and from the text, basically the text attribute contains all the tweets data inside my this csv file. Okay, so we apply the lambda x, such as first we split the sentence. Okay, if I say that the sentence into the words, and for each individual words remove this one stop words, and here write if x starts with, and then inside this one, this is the hash sign, and basically this error is x dot start with. Okay, so it will return us all these uh, for each individual tweets or tags. It will show us the overall length that which contains the hash sign. Okay, so if I here execute this, you can find inside the output that the each individual tweet, it has no hashtag, it has four hashtag. Okay, 1 2 3 is mentioned and remaining is in this one remaining tweets, and this contains the one hashtag. Okay, so that is how you can extract the hashtag from the text. So now let's move to the second topic, that is how to extract the numeric values from a text. To extract the numeric value from a text, here first I create a new the number attribute, that is number of integer, okay, or numeric for example. And for this, here we apply a new method, that is x dot is digit. Okay, and this parenthesis, this is the beauty of Python. You can see that with a single mention method, okay, the different methods exist. Okay, for checking the numeric value, the method is digit exist. Okay, if I again execute, then you can find here the first one, the second tweet contains the one digit as 15 is mentioned, and remaining is so on. So for each individual tweets, it show us the number of integers. Okay, so that is how we can extract the number of integers from the text. And now move to the last topic of this video, that is extract the number of upper cases from the data. Okay, for this I name the number of upper case a new attribute name, and the method for this is x dot is upper. Okay, is upper method name, and execute this, and after that you can find here this shows the one, that is COVID is in uppercase, so therefore it shows us the one from the inside the number of uppercase. So this is how you can extract these three features from the text. So that's all for this video. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you have any question regarding to this topic, you can email me. Email is mentioned in video description, or you can comment inside the video comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Stay blessed. Have a nice day.